pour a whole lot of oil into a water pitcher because today we are making a homemade lava lamp. Yes, that's right. I'm going to show you how to turn this into a lava lamp. We are going to be using Alka-Seltzer. Alka-Seltzer is the secret to making your own lava lamp. It is going to make the magic happen. So as you see, we have a big pitcher of oil. Now you can go around, serve this to people, pour drinks, maybe not, probably a bad idea. But next step is we're going to take water. We just have some plain old water here. And as you know, water does not mix with oil. So watch, as we pour that in, check this out. The water and oil are not going to mix. The water is going to go to the bottom because the water is much heavier than the oil. So it's going to go right to the bottom just like that. Okay, let's look at that. Look at that. All that water settling down into the bottom. Now, we want to make sure you could see the science experiment happen. So I'm just going to grab some food coloring. We're going to do some green food coloring. I'll be very careful because it can easily dye your hands. And we're just going to pour it in. Now, watch this also. The oil will not mix with the food coloring. So the food coloring is going to drip down into the water, but it will never mix with the oil. Check that out. How crazy is that? Look at that. Look at that. It looks like little fish eggs. Looks like we're making little caviar, but instead of caviar, it is food coloring that is then going to mix with our water. So we're going to place this here very carefully. Now, we're going to grab our spoon. We're going to place our spoon into here, and let's just stir this up. And look at that. Isn't that fascinating? Only the bottom water is mixing with the food coloring. None of the oil. Okay, just stick with me. This craziness is about to turn into a lava lamp. We're going to take this out, carefully place this in here, and now it is time for the magic. Okay, so you see we have this. And you see how this has all these cool textures in here, all these cool bubbles. That is looking cool. Okay, so let's just let this settle and look on top. Look at that. Oh my God, how insane does that look? This is going to be absolutely nuts once we add in the Alka-Seltzer. Okay, Alka-Seltzer on its own. Let me just show you. Let me give you a little sneak peek what's about to happen. We're going to take a piece of the Alka-Seltzer, just place it in this plain old water. Look at that. Ooh, look at all those bubbles that it makes. So, can you even begin to imagine what's going to happen when we put it in here? Okay, ready for it? So we're going to put in quite a lot of Alka-Seltzer over here. We have, this is what? 1, 2, let's just start adding them in. 1 tablet, 2 tablet, 3 tablets, 4 tablets, 5 tablets, 6 tablets, 7 tablets, 8, 9.5. And oh, look at that. We have a whole show going on over here. It is a homemade lava lamp. Oh my God. Okay, this is exciting. Look at top. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at all that bubbles forming. Wow. This is like a whole show in itself. It is a science experiment you can easily do at home. Oh my God. This is wildly cool. This is very exciting. You have got to give this a try at home. This is super fun to do with kids. And I mean, just look at that craziness. Oh my God. This is so much fun. Comment down below if you've ever tried this, if there are any other food science experiments you want to see me try. Right now, I'm just going to be watching my incredible homemade lava lamp. And if you haven't already, be sure to like this video, comment down below, and hit the follow button to join the Facebook fam to see all my videos. If you need me, I'm just going to continue watching the show. That is my homemade lava lamp. Check that out.